This is what it looks like when I bring all my camera gear to a hotel room on a trip. Stay tuned. What's up, my biker friends? Welcome back to another video, another gear talk, another talk about my camera gear and what I do with all the gear once I'm actually traveling with the gear. I'm on tour right now. I have a 14-day tour to the Adriatic Sea, down the Balkan states, all the way down to Albania, and then I'm gonna take a ferry all the way up to Italy and then go through the Tuscany area, Lake Garda, through Austria, back to Germany. And this is day number 3, at the end of day number 3. And I brought all the camera and video equipment onto this trip, and over the years I've accumulated quite a few pieces of equipment, and I was actually putting the camera gears, when I packed all my luggage, I was putting all that stuff on the scale just to get an idea of how much weight I'm actually bringing on these trips. And it's somewhere in the vicinity of 11 to 12 kilos out of the 30 kilos I bring in total luggage. That is accounted for all the cameras, the batteries, the charger, the computer, the hard drives. It's a lot of equipment. It's probably too much. I'll probably have to downsize it a little bit in the future, but this is what I have in the moment. So the first thing what I do is when I come to a hotel room, I take all that equipment out, all the chargers out, I recharge the batteries. I usually empty the SD cards. So the clip I'm going to show you in a minute is from yesterday's stay. I had a lot of space there to spread out a little bit, where I had all the equipment out, all the chargers out, and just give you a little peek what it looks like when I go to a hotel room and I do have a little bit of space when I charge all the stuff and empty all the clips, and what it looks like. By now I have a lot of equipment for me. 2 drones that are sitting here. See the Skydio 2 is getting an update. Hope that works this time. First attempt failed. And I couldn't fly today, which is really a pain. So I'm updating the Skydio now because I needed Wi-Fi connection, couldn't do it on the go. And then this is where I have my DJI Mavic Air 2 drone that sits in here, and then the case of the Skydio sits on top, and there's some miscellaneous small stuff there. And as you can see, the batteries are getting charged for the DJI, and this is the Skydio battery. There's 2 batteries getting charged at the moment. And this is the small tank bag. Usually have batteries in here. The sunglasses, the Osmo Pocket is in here, and I usually have the beacon in there as well. It's up here at the moment. It's the beacon for the Skydio that sits in here. And then quick access to change batteries out. Then I have a whole bunch of battery chargers up here. I have different ones now because I have 2 different GoPros. Actually, I have 3 different GoPros. This is the 7, 8, and this is the 10 sitting there. So this is for the GoPro. And then the Sony, the ZV-1 shares the same battery with my helmet camera that I have, which is kind of cool. So using the same batteries as charging here. And then I use a USB charge hub, and that makes it a bit easier if I don't have enough power connections. And there's the Welcome's already charged now for my DJI drone. And then I am copying all the SD cards to an external drive. I don't do that every day. I have time to do it today, so I'll do it. But I have enough SD cards to last me a couple of days, 3 days maybe. And then I got these organizers this time. This is where all the charging cables go. Makes it really easy. I used to just have that in Ziploc bags. I guess that worked, but I guess this is better. This is the photo bag. This is where the GoPro store, all the accessories for the GoPro. This is where the ZV-1 lives. And some of the other cameras also have a bunch of microphones and their headphones and things like that. So they're really easy to package up like that, and makes life a lot easier. Okay guys, short video. This was it. Just a small peek into the behind the scenes, what I do with all my equipment. I hope you found this interesting. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have comments, leave them in the comment section. You got questions, also leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, ride safe and stay awesome.
Bye.